Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Glimpses of the past. Macro lesson plan -3. Preliminary information. Item. Details. Name of the student teacher. Kavita, your name. Register number. Your register number. Subject. English. Class 8. Unit 3. Lesson topic. Glimpses of the past, Ram Mohan Roy and his reforms. Teachers' materials. Textbook, simple vocabulary chart, glossary chart, mind map chart, projector, whiteboard, markers. Reference book. NCERT Class 8 English textbook. Objectives. Pre-reading. To introduce students to the social reforms and contributions of Ram Mohan Roy. To discuss the impact of superstitions on Indian society. Reading. To understand Ram Mohan Roy's ideas on social reform, religion, and education. To comprehend the significance of his efforts in fighting against societal evils and his stance towards British rule. Post-reading. To reflect on how Ram Mohan Roy's ideas led to the modernization of Indian society. To analyze the connection between social reforms and national progress. Content. Ram Mohan Roy, 1772–1833. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great, and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reform our society. Superstitions have been ruining us. He told his wife Uma. Cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. Knowledge should be practical and scientific. He started newspapers, but the suspicious British stopped them. In 1823 he crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them, we accept you as rulers, and you must accept us as subjects. But you must remember the responsibility a ruler owes to his subjects. Skills, steps, academic standards, teachers' activity, students' activity, teaching learning material, TLM, blackboard writing, BBW, evaluation, motivation, introduction, listening, speaking. Teacher greets students, good morning, class. How are you all today? Teacher asks, can anyone tell me what the word reform means? Students respond, good morning, teacher, and then offer their understanding of the word reform. None Reform. Teacher observes students' understanding of the word reform. Announcement of topic. Listening, reading, speaking. Teacher announces the topic. Today, we will learn about Ram Mohan Roy and how he helped reform Indian society. Students listen attentively and prepare to engage with the lesson. None. Ram Mohan Roy and social reform. Teacher assesses students' initial interest in the topic. Model reading. Reading. Listening. Teacher reads aloud from the text in a clear and expressive voice, modeling correct pronunciation and intonation. Students follow along in their books, listening closely to the teacher's reading. Textbook. Blackboard. Teacher models reading with expression and fluency. Teacher observes students' engagement during the model reading. Subtext. Reading. Vocabulary. Teacher presents a subtext chart with simplified key points of the lesson for better understanding. Students read the simplified subtext from the chart and ask questions for clarification. Subtext chart. Ram Mohan Roy was a smart person who wanted to help India. He believed in old Indian culture but thought we could do better. He wanted to change bad things in India. He liked to learn about science and new things. He wanted learning to be useful and helpful. Vocabulary chart on key terms, e.g., superstition. Teacher highlights simplified ideas and key points. Started newspapers to share his ideas, but the British didn't like it and stopped him. Ram Mohan Roy wanted to know why the British were so strong, so he went to England. He told them that we would let them be our rulers, but they had to be fair to us. Subtext analysis. Why did Ram Mohan Roy want to reform society? What does comparing different religions to cow's milk mean? To eliminate harmful superstitions and improve societal practices. It means that all religions. Why was science important to Ram Mohan Roy? What did Ram Mohan Roy want from the British rulers? Share common values despite their differences. He believed science was practical and could help improve society. He wanted them to be fair and responsible towards Indians. Glossary. Vocabulary, comprehension. Teacher presents a glossary chart containing difficult words like reforms, superstition, subjects, etc. Students write down the glossary meanings in their notebooks. Glossary chart. Blackboard list of difficult words with meanings. Teacher checks students' understanding of the difficult words. Mind mapping. Analytical skills, comprehension. Teacher displays a mind map chart, or draws a mind map on the blackboard, showing Ram. Students participate by offering ideas and helping complete the mind map. Mind map chart, blackboard, markers. Teacher draws the mind map. Teacher observes students. Mohan Roy's reforms. With key ideas connected. Participation in the mind map activity. Model reading. Listening, reading, comprehension. Teacher reads the text aloud, modeling the correct pronunciation and intonation. Students listen attentively and follow along in their textbooks. Textbook, projector. Teacher highlights difficult sentences and pronounces them. Teacher observes students focus during the model reading. Post-reading discussion. Critical thinking, speaking, listening. Teacher asks, what do you think were the key ideas that made Ram Mohan Roy a great reformer? Students discuss his contributions to religion, society, and education. Textbook. Key discussion points written on the blackboard. Teacher encourages active participation and critical thinking. Pair work. Collaboration, speaking, listening. Teacher assigns pairs to discuss Ram Mohan Roy's approach to British rule in religion. Students discuss in pairs and write down key points. Notebooks. Teacher writes prompts for discussion on the blackboard. Teacher observes students' interaction and collaboration. Individual presentation. Speaking. Critical thinking. Teacher asks individual students to present their ideas about Ram Mohan Roy's reforms in society. Students individually present their ideas in front of the class. Notebooks, charts. Teacher lists key points from each student's presentation. Teacher assesses students' understanding and presentation skills. Refining. Speaking. Critical thinking. Teacher gives constructive feedback on the presentations, refining the ideas presented by students. Students revise their ideas based on feedback and refine their presentations. None. Teacher refines key points on the blackboard. Teacher observes students' willingness to accept feedback. Editing. Speaking. Writing. Teacher helps students edit their points for clarity and correctness. Students correct and edit their presentations. Notebooks, charts. Blackboard showing corrections and edits. Teacher assesses students' ability to edit and improve their work. Final presentation. Speaking. Critical thinking. Teacher asks students to give their final presentations with corrections incorporated. Students present their final work confidently. Notebooks, charts. Blackboard showing refined points. Teacher evaluates the final presentations for clarity, coherence, and content. Feedback by teacher. Listening. Critical thinking. Teacher gives final feedback on all presentations, highlighting strengths and areas of improvement. Students listen attentively and note down feedback for improvement. None. Teacher writes final evaluation points on the blackboard. Teacher observes students' receptiveness to feedback. Teacher's version. Listening. Comprehension. Teacher gives the final version of Ram Mohan Roy's contributions to Indian society and his influence on reforms. Students listen and ask clarifying questions if needed. Textbook. Teacher writes a summary on the blackboard. Teacher assesses students' understanding of the summary. Moral. Critical thinking. Teacher asks, what moral can we learn from? Students discuss the moral in its. None. Teacher writes. Teacher assesses. Comprehension. Ram Mohan Roy's life and reforms. Relevance to today's society. The moral on the blackboard. A student's ability to draw conclusions. Assignment. Writing. Critical thinking. Teacher assigns students to write an essay on the topic, How Ram Mohan Roy Helped India Fight Superstitions. Students note down the assignment and plan to complete it at home. Notebooks. Write an essay on how Ram Mohan Roy helped India. Teacher assesses students' understanding of the assignment. Macro lesson plan in tabular form. Conclusion. Ram Mohan Roy's reform efforts highlighted the need for societal progress and fairness, challenging outdated beliefs and advocating for justice. His legacy teaches us the importance of embracing change while respecting our cultural heritage.